Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning, everybody. We're starting off our Wednesday real foggy out there and real warm. Temperatures in the 60s. Shouldn't take much to get us back up into the mid 70s today. I'm not sure we're going to have enough sunshine to get to the upper 70s. And then again overnight, similar to last night. Moisture out there, going to be a little bit more humid, going to have lots of clouds. Probably going to see a bunch of fog again tomorrow morning, and all that'll keep our temperatures up. Now, the dense fog advisory expanded a little while ago to include almost the whole area. Doesn't quite get to Hamilton, Eccles, Lafayette, and Suwannee counties, but it pretty much covers everybody else. And even there, where it's not in the advisory, doesn't mean we can't get some thick fog. I think lots of spots are going to find visibility numbers that end up reduced down below 1 mile. So careful on the roads, always low beam headlights in those areas of fog. Been watching the radar since early this morning, not seeing a lot of activity. Some drizzle, some mist in some of that fog for sure. And like yesterday where we picked up some of those showers here and there, we'll likely pick up a few of those again today. But things have been pretty quiet on the radar since some of those showers yesterday evening, last night. It's 65 degrees right now in Tallahassee. We're at 63 in Thomasville and 62 in Valdosta. If we get a little breeze going, that might help out with some of the fog, but most areas not reporting much wind. And around the region, it's a lot of mid 50s and up. Marianna, Blakely, and Live Oak at 57. Some of the cooler spots around. That 65 at the Tallahassee airport is actually the warmest spot around. And if there is going to be a breeze like yesterday, it'll be from the south to bring in more and more of that warm and humid. But we're talking generally this morning like 5 miles per hour or less, and even this afternoon maybe up to 10 or 12 or 13 miles per hour. It's not a windy day. We did notice that breeze at times yesterday, but after the fog, same kind of thing today. Without that breeze, with all the moisture, we get all these visibilities that are down below 1 mile almost everywhere. So be ready for that fog out there. You know the vermin are going to be lurking. Be careful. Big winter weather going on in the Rocky Mountain states. East of that, rain in this warmer air, and as that energy tries to move east, we'll keep our eyes on it and see how it plays into our forecast. I don't expect much today. I think today, just like yesterday, still not feeling that region-wide kind of rain event, but I do think there's going to be a few scattered showers out there, isolated ones, lucky spots, and that's all. And maybe in some of those spots you pick up 1/10 of an inch of rain or something like that. On the Futurecast, we get through today and tomorrow and we talk about this next boundary. Maybe it can ring a few more showers out of the clouds tomorrow, but even that's not looking super likely. So I don't expect any kind of region-wide rain, at least not through the end of the work week. Maybe we talk about some changes by the end of the upcoming weekend, and that's still a maybe at this point. On the Gulf today, going to get a little breezy later. Winds start out of the south, less than 10 knots, but more like 10 to 20 this afternoon. For most of us, it's 50s and 60s this morning with that fog. This afternoon, I'll keep the rain chances around 20% and expect those top temperatures in the 70s. We'll call it mostly cloudy and warm. Tonight, I think we keep it mostly cloudy. There's likely going to be more fog around, and that probably means more of us start near 60 on our Thursday. Now, that Thursday afternoon forecast will up the rain chances a smidge, but I think the best chance of the next several probably comes by Sunday. And it looks like the unsettled may want to stick around for a while. Friday feels like our best chance for the most sunshine.